Hey, what's up, everybody? I want to show you something. I found this so fascinating. So here I have one of these injector pens for Mounjaro, the weight loss drug. This is one of the most amazing pieces of packaging I've ever seen. This is a spring-loaded injector. So it has a lock and an open position, and the way it works is you go from lock to open and you hit the button and it injects. Hey, kitties, kitties, that's not for you. This is not for you. Oh my goodness. All right, well, we'll just ignore. We're just going to ignore the cat right now. Anyway, so I tried not to destroy this thing. Hey, 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 hey. Why are you here? Why are you here? Why are you here? Why are you here? All right. Sorry about that. I'm being distracted here. Cat, hey, you're hitting the tripod, kitty. Okay. So, yeah, fascinating design. I mean, absolutely fascinating. This is the bottom part. There's the needle on the inside. I know you can't see it. It's a very, very tiny needle. And it is just amazing how this thing works. So anyway, let me... so I tried to open this without destroying it. And... oh my god, cat. Stop it. Check this out. Look at that. Look at this giant spring mechanism. This is some serious engineering went into this. I'm going to save this spring. That's kind of a handy spring. Look at that. Look at this. This is incredible. So that is your actual syringe right there. Wow. Okay, so this is like a plunger, and then that gray bit is what actually does the sealing. And this is actually glass, it's not plastic. And then that is your needle, which I guess I broke the needle, but it's tiny. That is absolutely freaking amazing. What a clever design. And then it's got this little retaining collar thingy. Let's see if we can snap that off of here. Yeah. Okay, so it's got this retaining collar. And then there's this mechanism. Wow. Oh my goodness, look at this. There's another spring in here. Wow. This is some serious engineering marvel going on in here. Let me tell you. That's kind of impressive. Anyway, I was fascinated by this when I first saw it. This is some amazing stuff. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I got a kick out of that. I thought that was pretty wild.